Hi, in this video, we will talk about the best practice for moving to Python 3. Okay, I think there are two steps. The first one is we should write in Python 2 and Python 3 compatible code. And the second step is porting Python 2 code to Python 3 and drop Python 2 support. Okay, let's see the details. And the best practice, step 1. Only worry about supporting Python 2.7. Please make sure your code can be run under Python 2.7 without any kinds of errors. 2. Make sure you have good test coverage, which means we should write unit test, and we can use a tool called coverage.py, and which can display the test coverage. 3. Learn the differences between Python 2 and Python 3. That is our course designed for. 4. Use Future or Fix to update your code. And we also will mention this kind of tools in our course. 5. Use CI to make sure you stay compatible with Python 2 and Python 3. For example, we can use a very powerful tool called Tox. Tox can help test against multiple versions of Python. We can use pipe to install Tox. And the last step, drop Python 2 support. Okay, let's see a demo. Okay, for example, here we have a very simple Python project. We only have one Python source file called binarysearch.py. And in this source file, there is one Python function, binary search. Okay, and we also have a unit test for the test binary search to do the unit test. And we have coverage, and also we use Tox to do the test. And in the tox.ini file, we can see we only have a Py27 test environment. And in this test environment, we use coverage to run our test. And also we will print the report. And the test is written in runtest.py. We use unit test loader to find all the test files. Here we only have one test binary search. Okay, let's try to run our code. And the Tox, we can just type Tox and press enter. We can see for now the test is successful, and we only test our code under Python 2.7, and the coverage now is 100%. Okay, if we want our project to support Python 3, first we can add another test environment, for example, Python 3.6, and we will copy this section and remove this name to Python 3.6. Now we have two Python environments, 27 and 36. Okay, let's run our Tox again. And from the result, you will see for Python 2.7, it's successful, but for Python 3.6, it is failed. So the reason is, let's check our code. And here, please pay attention. If you don't know this, it doesn't matter, because in our course, we will talk about this differences between Python 2 and Python 3. And because here in Python 2 and Python 3, this division operator is different. So we should, from future to import division. And here we should use /. Okay, let's check our code again. Tox. Yes, Python 2 and Python 3 all succeed. And the last step is dropping Python 2 support. And first, we can remove Python 2.7 test environment. And let's delete this section. And actually, we can delete this future import. Okay, let's run talks again. Yes, success. So that is the best practice for moving to Python 3. And from this demo, you can discover that all these steps, the most important one is know the differences between Python 2 and Python 3. And so that is the purpose of our course for. And I hope after you finished our course, you will know all the differences between Python 2 and Python 3. That will help you to move into Python 3 for your project. Okay, thanks.